Hey, bird. Here you go. Want to try this?
Step up. Step up.
There you go. Yeah, you got a good sense of balance being a bird, I bet that. Yes. Look at that. Bet that jacket works for you. Okay, you want back down? You're a little nervous? There you go. There you go. Let's try that again. I had you not quite in the frame.
Step up. Step up. Step up.
Yeah, there you go. Pretty bird. Well, thanks for letting me take the video. He's cute.
Sure.
Yeah, amazing pet.
Character.
Does he do anything exciting like speak or?
When he's by himself, come here. I'm here.
Wow.
There you go. Good scratch. Show him your wings. Come here. Come here. They scratch.
Oh, wow. Amazing.
Good boy. It's belly rubbed.
So, how old's the bird?
This is about 5 now.
All right.
Lifespan of 35.
Gotcha. Okay, well, thanks for letting me watch this pretty cool pet. Yeah, yeah.